Here's how to access Amazon Haul. So the easiest way is a shortcut link in the description that takes you to the Amazon Haul landing page. So you go down there, click that link. It's an affiliate link, helps support this channel, but it basically will take you directly to the page that we're on, which is kind of like the main page for Amazon Haul. From here, you have access to anything that's on Amazon Haul and all these crazy deals, as well as the search for Amazon Haul. So you can see here we're searching Amazon Haul. We can search for things. If you don't just want to look through categories, you can search for items on Amazon Haul. And basically, if you're kind of unfamiliar with Amazon Haul, it's like this category of Amazon where you can get these crazy deals. Now, the shipping times might be a little bit slower than Amazon Prime shipping. You also have to spend at least $25 to get free shipping. It's $3.99 otherwise. And also, there are savings if you spend certain amounts of money. So, like, you can see this little ticker right here that's kind of scrolling. You can save 50% on $50. If you spend $75, you save 10%, and that's an extra 10% on top of the already crazy savings you get here on Amazon Haul. Now, there are items that are actually also listed on Amazon. So the Amazon Haul checkout experience is a separate shopping cart than your Amazon shopping cart. And I'll show you this, for instance, if I go to the kids section and I find these Adidas socks. So this is name brand socks, but they're sold maybe, or actually this is shipped and sold by Amazon, for instance. In some items, you'll see they're shipped or they're sold from third party resellers or maybe sellers in other countries, which is why the shipping times are a little slower. But this right here shows you a few things. So you do get free returns or up to 15-day refund on some items. If they're under $3, they're probably final sale items, so you don't have that option. But then also you can see right here the Amazon list price for these socks. So these socks are listed on Amazon and they're listed on Amazon Haul. Amazon's list price is $18. And if you look at the details, it's basically saying that the list price reflects the last 90 days of the price of this item on Amazon. But here on Amazon Haul, you can get it for $13. So that's a huge discount. And if you're buying several things, you actually get percentage off on top of that, as well as free shipping. Link in the description to get to Amazon Haul. If you're just on the Amazon homepage, you should be able to see this bar up here and you'll find Amazon Haul right here. If you don't see that, you can also go to the drop down on the left side of the search menu and see Amazon Haul right here to search Amazon Haul specifically. So if you're searching for specific items and want to find deals on them, that's another way you can do that. That's how you can access Amazon Haul.